So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to export your audit log on your Zoho CRM account. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website and log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now go with this settings icon right here and select this option right here. Now you can see this option right here. Just select it and you can see your audit log now has been exporting from your account. And after some time you can download it by just clicking on this button right here that will arrive in a short amount of time. So as you can see guys, the button now has been shown us which says download, and by just selecting it you can download your audit log from your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to export your audit log from your Zoho CRM account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.